Morning here at Edison, New Jersey. The world seems typical, defined by quiet rhythms of American suburbs. Yet for 3 years, a quiet transformation has taken place on this spot. A space where natural occurring, perfect form emerges winter after winter, exploring life beyond the comfort of the ordinary. Why in this place? And why now? Perhaps the answer is not in the end itself, but an expression of what cannot be explained. What are your thoughts? Is it merely a natural occurrence? Or is it a reminder that even the most familiar places, the sacred divine energy, might simply be waiting to be seen?